All right, so let's add on just a little bit to this concept. So again, we're still looking at our decimal places, wanting to make sure they have the same decimal place value. So when we read these numbers, if one of them is hundreds, one of them is thousands, we want to add the extra zeros so they're all thousands, okay? So it's really important that you think about them with the same place value. So let's check out these. Notice these ones actually have whole numbers. So this has a whole number of 4, and so does this one. So if the whole numbers are the same, then you go straight to the decimal values. And I noticed that this has 3 decimals, so it would be 4 and. So wherever that decimal is, you actually say the word and. So now that we have whole numbers, we use this word and. So with this reads 4 and 836 thousandths. This one reads 4 and 83 hundredths. So it only has 2 decimal places while this one had 3. So we are going to add that extra 0 there. So it will also read as a thousandths. So now we have 4 and 836 thousandths, 4 and 830 thousandths. So we would say that this decimal is larger than 4 and 83 hundredths. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. Now on this one, I want you to notice they actually have the same whole number, 27 and 45 hundredths. This one is read 27 and 4 hundredths. So we don't need to add any zeros to this because they both are hundredths. So we would just compare our decimals. We have 45 and 4. So we know that 45 is larger. So 27 and 45 hundredths is larger than 27 and 4 hundredths. So what happens when you have whole numbers that are not the same? Well, the whole number beats it. The largest whole number beats the whole thing. So it does not matter that this is 91 hundredths and this is 86 hundredths. It does not matter because look at our whole numbers. We have a 3 and a 2. And even though 86 hundredths is smaller than 91 hundredths, the whole number beats it all. Since the 3 is larger than the 2, we would say 291 hundredths is less than 386 thousandths.